Many persons on their way to success develop a hunter mentality and not a farmer's mentality. On analysis, 3% of persons retire financially free, 65% on pension, 17% depend on their children, and 15% continue working. Some brief history. Late Chief Obafemi Jeremiah had a contract that earned him simply 1 naira for every bottle of Coca-Cola being sold. Ex-President Olusegun Obasanjo had a contract with a network company and had to earn simply 1 naira per subscriber. And presently all these guys do earn billions and millions from it because of this. My president have mentioned, if you don't picture the future, then you won't feature in the picture. The question is, what do you see when there's nothing to see? What do you hear when no one is talking? Bringing on board said Josephus, the CEO of Lumfos Academy. I will exit with this. My uncle, the 11th president of India, APJ Abdul Kalam, once said, dreams are not what you see when you sleep, but what stops you from sleeping. And Gavin added, everybody will feature in the future, but not everyone will feature in the picture. Over to you, sir.
The dictionary defined focus as having a concentrated mind towards a goal. The act of setting oneself towards a task. It doesn't matter how difficult a task appears to be. Once the heart is geared towards something it truly wants, there is no odds that can stand against it. Friends, Albert Einstein once said, insanity is doing one thing over and over. But when we talk about focus, friends, you must do one thing over and over until you get the desired results. Our concept of focus is so shallow. When we talk about focus, many people just think is that we just have to keep on working and working without a break. That is why many youth are so broken today, because when you are focused, focus is going to drain you. It's going to take something out of you. It's just like a man who ahead on the road for a journey. He loaded his car with petrol. The longer time he spends on the road, the more the petrol runs down. As he drives, the petrol runs down. When you are focused, it's going to take something out of you. Focus is like a plan. It's like a man who has sown a seed. Friends, in order for the seed to bear, it must stay in the soil. Have you ever seen a movie tree bearing fruit before? Focus will require you to be consistent. When we talk about focus, what we are simply saying is consistency. There is no consistency without focus. There is no focus without consistency. A lot of people are not consistent. This reminds me about a story I heard about a young boy. His teachers gave unto every one of them seed to go and plant. And this particular student, he planted his seed, and after an hour uprooted the seed. He did that throughout the day. And then when he went back to school, he told his teacher that the seed is not good. But the seed was good. It was his method that was not good. And a lot of times when we are doing something, we are so eager to get the result that we fail to understand that focus requires consistency. Friends, we all have these treasures in earthen vessels. Focus requires that you keep your eyes on the task until you see the desired result. So even if things are not working, just know that there is changes happening within you. And when you are focused, those changes are very much important, because focus requires consistency.
And a great man once gave this acronym: follow one course until you succeed. If you love this video, consider giving it a like, and if you love to have such videos coming up, consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you. See you next time.